With GAT Flow, you can trigger a workflow to run in the event that a user disables or enables two-factor authentication. In this video, we will look at an example of this workflow. First, navigate to the Event Workflow section of GAT Flow. There are two events available for 2FA. One will start when a user enables 2FA, and one will start when a user disables 2FA. In this example, we'll create a workflow for when a user disables 2FA. I'll give my workflow a name. Select Modify for its type, select the event type, set the workflow to active, and make sure Pre-Approved is enabled. Pre-Approved is selected to avoid needing the security officer's approval every time the event is triggered. We'll only need the security officer to approve the initial request. Click Next to go to the Choose Actions tab. This area is where you can choose the actions that the workflow will take when the event is triggered. To add an action, click the left plus box. For this example, we are sending a warning email to the user who disabled their 2FA. Once ready, click Send Approval Request. Your request will be sent to your GAT Unlock security officer for approval. Once approved, the workflow will wait until the event takes place. To check on the results, find the workflow in the Event Workflow area and select the results icon. Here, each event triggered is displayed in rows, and by selecting the eye icon, it will show more details about the actions that were performed. That covers this GAT Flow how-to. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this GAT Labs video, please like and subscribe and ring the bell for regular updates. You can also get a free 15-day trial of GAT Plus by following the link in the description.